eyeliner. For today's video, we're gonna do this super glowy, easy for smoky eyes. It's just a very soft, blunt smoky eyes and very glowy skin. I also paired with a luminous nude lip. I think this smoky eye is perfect for any eye color, and it's also the right tone for fall. It's not too much, and you can wear this for daytime without any lashes. Just a couple coats of mascara and then you good. And if you're interested in seeing how I came up with this look, please keep watching. In my how to apply your makeup in the correct order video, I talked about how easier when you apply your foundation first before your eyes. So for today, to change it up, I'm gonna show you how we can apply the eyeshadow first before you apply your foundation. Either way is fine. However, if you apply your eyeshadow first and your eyebrow when you apply your foundation, you still have to be careful around the eyes area so you don't mess up whatever you did on your eyes. So I already have my brow and my eyebrow. So I'm gonna jump right into the eyeshadow palette. Today, I'm gonna use the Ring the Alarm palette from the Vogue collection. It's this shade right here. So first, I'm gonna go in with brush. It's this shade right here, I think. I'm going with brush. It's this shade right here. I'm gonna put this right into my crease and slowly build the pigment up. This palette is really buildable. It depends on how much color or how much depth you want with this. Next, I'm gonna make Rush and Siren. And I'm just gonna apply this right in the crease, a little bit lower. It's lower than where I apply Rush. So it's just right here. For the lid, I'm just gonna apply Siren. It's this shade right here. And I'm just gonna pat it in. I just want to pack this shade right onto the eyelid. You see how easy that is? I just used two shades in this palette. Rush and Siren. So right now I'm gonna tightline my lashes a little bit. I'm gonna use the Ardency ink and I'm just gonna apply this at the root of my lashes. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes. Just hold this for about 10 seconds. I'm gonna use Hourglass Cosmetic Extreme Lash Mascara. I love this one because it gives me length, volume, lift, and definition to the lashes. If you're lucky enough you have a full lashes, then you don't have to apply any full lashes for daytime or for during the day. But since I don't have a lot, so I like to use the lashes. I'm gonna use the velour lashes in the style I'm not a shot of Whispy. It looks like so. It's really lightweight. To get a glowing skin, it starts with the skincare. Usually I do my skincare products like half an hour before I do my makeup. To show you how that's gonna help your makeup gonna look brighter, I'm gonna use it today. I'm gonna use the Ole Harrison Serious Brightening Gel Cream. You see how much I use? I've been using this every day. This gel cream has a peach tint. It instantly brightens your skin. It also gives you hydration for 24 hours. It's firm, it targets fine lines and wrinkles. It also helps to renew your youth, radiant. And as you can see, I have a little bit glow on my skin already, just by using the gel cream. I'm gonna also use this Ole Harrison Banana Bright Eye Cream. It's also helped to brighten my under eye. It's also firm and give me hydration. It targets dark circle, age spot, fine lines, and wrinkle. For primer today, I'm gonna use the Lord Radiant primers from Galan. This one has 24 karat gold flake, so it's to instantly give you radiance. This one is supposed to use for normal to dry skin, but during the fall when the weather is a little bit colder and the skin tend to dry up a little bit, I can use this one. But usually during summer I cannot use this one at all, so because it cannot help with my oil. But for fall or winters, I can use this one definitely. When I want to have a little bit radiant to my skin, a little bit close, so this one also helps to firm and hydrate your skin as well. I'm gonna apply some foundations. For today, I'm gonna use the LC Cosmetic Micro Silk Foundations. This is the lightweight, beautiful HD coverage liquid foundations. It's good for all skin type. So when it comes to fall and winters, I have more leverage to when it comes to foundation. I don't have to use matte foundation as much. This is gonna give me a smooth, flawless base, but it's also give me hydration, which every skin needs during falls and winters. And I'm just gonna start at the center of my face and working my way out to the outer perimeter. And when it comes to this area, you always have to be careful so you don't mess up your brow or your eye makeup. That's why I don't like doing my eye before my face. Don't forget your neck or your ear. To conceal my face, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I'm gonna apply a little bit underneath my eyes, just careful right here. The bridge of my nose, my cupid bow, and my chin. And I'm gonna blend this out using the Damp Beauty Blender. To contour my face, I'm gonna use the Lancome 10 Idol Ultra Wear Makeup Stick. This is the foundation stick, but when I want to have a glow to my makeup, I like to use a lot of cream, and I'm just gonna do this. I like using this because it's a foundation stick, so I can get it matte to my skin tone, and it's gonna blend in with my foundations. And I'm gonna blend this in with the brush first. Then I'm gonna use this angle brush and blend out the nose. Then I go back to my beauty blender and just blend everything out. Make sure I don't have any harsh line. And then I'm gonna use cream highlighter. I'm gonna use the Hourglass Vanish Flash highlighting stick. And I'm just gonna draw a line right here on my cheekbone. And a little bit in the bridge of my nose. And just I just love using this. It just melts into your skin. It just gives you like a beautiful glow, but it's not too much. It's just like your skin glowing from within. Take this Marc Jacobs Coconut Perfecting Setting Powder, but I only want to set mostly right here on my T-zone where I have the most oil. And I leave the rest of my face. I'm gonna leave it right there because I want to keep that dewy, glowy that I have right now. Then I'm gonna go back and finish my eyes. I'm gonna leave this setting powder on my face for a few minutes. First, I'm gonna use this Amrezy liner and I'm just gonna line my waterline. I'm just putting this on my bottom lashes and highlighting it. Then I'm gonna go back to Siren. It's this shade right here. I'm gonna smudge the light out so everything looks nice and diffuse. Now I'm gonna blend everything out with brush. Now I'm gonna dust off all this powder to warm up my face and give me some definition. I'm gonna use the Marc Jacob Omega Bronzer Coconut Perfecting Tan. This is my holy grail. I've been using this one like every day and it just seems like I still have a lot to go on. So this is really worth your money. Even though I use like a lot when I do it like this, but it's never do me wrong. It's always come out like perfect tan. And the good thing about this one is that it's go really well with my skin tone. It does not look orange, not red, not gray. It just gives me like a perfect sun kiss to my face. I'm just loving this. And I'm gonna run it down to my neck a little bit. I'm gonna highlight my face with Anastasia Amrezy Highlighter. It has a ultra smooth and radiant formula. I'm using this one a lot, but it doesn't look like I put a dent to this highlighter, so it's gonna last me like a really long time. I'm gonna apply this on top of my cheekbone, the bridge of my nose, on my cupid bow, and I also gonna use this to highlight my inner of my eyes, just to brighten my eyes a little bit. Also gonna highlight my brow. For blush, I'm gonna use the Tarte Blush Bazzaa. It has 10 shades, and I'm gonna use this shade red right here. It's a muted plum, so I think it's good for fall. This is called Endless. So let's lock everything in with a setting spray. I'm gonna use the MAC Fix Plus. I forgot my bottom lash mascara. I'm gonna apply this with the MAC Giga Black. I'm using the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Mascara. Last but not least, lipstick. Since the eyes already on the more dramatic side, I want to keep the lips on a more neutral nude side. I'm gonna use the ColourPop Time Shader in the shade Quickie. To top this off, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Universal Gloss Bomb. I like this one because it gives me a little bit of shine, but it's not really comfortable. That's it, you guys. This is the complete look. I really love how this turned out. It's very super glowy skin, easy for smoky eye. This is perfect smoky eye for fall. It's just enough smoke, but not too much for daytime. It's also soft and glowy. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget the notification bell for more video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I see you in my next video. Bye guys!